Going to work is a major part of our lives, so it's important that the relationship between employers and employees is fair and productive. Industrial awards, called modern awards, set out the minimum pay and conditions for a particular job and cover many employees. Some groups of workers negotiate their own pay and conditions with their employer. These are called collective agreements. The Fair Work Commission is there to help employees and employers maintain fair and productive workplaces. The Fair Work Commission is one of two key national organisations that support harmonious workplaces. The other is the Fair Work Ombudsman. In this video, we'll explain what each organisation does so you'll know which to contact if you need help. The Fair Work Commission is Australia's national workplace relations tribunal. A tribunal works like a court. It can hear claims and disputes related to the workplace and issue binding decisions.
The Commission's established by statute. It's established by the Fair Work Act, an Act of the Commonwealth Parliament. All of our powers and functions are statutory based. They're all based and derived from that Act.
The Fair Work Commission sets the national minimum wage and creates and changes modern awards. It also approves collective agreements. And it's the independent umpire in workplace disputes, including unfair dismissals.
The Act sets out the factors that we must have regard to in deciding whether or not a termination is fair. Now, if we decide a termination is unfair, the Act also sets out a set of rules that we're obliged to apply about the remedy we order.
It is not the Fair Work Commission's job to make sure you're getting the minimum entitlements in modern awards, and it does not get involved in checking if employees are getting their correct wages, holidays and entitlements. The Fair Work Ombudsman can give advice on these entitlements. If you're not getting the right entitlements, the Fair Work Ombudsman can help resolve those issues through processes like mediation. And in cases of serious non-compliance, its inspectors can investigate possible breaches of workplace laws and take cases to court. The Fair Work Ombudsman is the place to go for employers and employees to understand the terms of their award or agreement and check entitlements like pay rates and holidays. You can visit, phone or write to them or visit their website at www.fairwork.gov.au. It has tools to help you look up your award, calculate entitlements, and find answers to questions about your workplace rights and obligations. If you have questions about superannuation entitlements, you need to contact the Australian Taxation Office at www.ato.gov.au/super. The Tax Office can tell you how much super is payable and pursue unpaid super. And if you have worries about safety in your workplace, go to www.safeworkaustralia.gov.au. There, you can click on the map to link to the regulator who can help you in your state or territory. Individual employees can get help from the Fair Work Commission in relation to three matters. If they believe they have been unfairly dismissed, if they believe they have been unfairly treated under the general protections provisions in the Fair Work Act, or if they believe they are being bullied at work and want an order to prevent that from happening.
I would want them to feel confident that they're going to be able to run their case, they're going to be treated with courtesy and respect, and they're going to have that matter dealt with in a fair and just manner according to law.